What's the meaning of Alfred Stieglitz? Alfred Stieglitz. Alfred Stieglitz. Alfred Stieglitz. Alfred Stieglitz. Alfred Stieglitz.
Alfred Stieglitz was an American photographer and art promoter who played a significant role in promoting modern art in the United States during the early 20th century. He was instrumental in introducing avant-garde European art to the American public, highlighting the importance of photography as a legitimate art form, and promoting the work of many important artists, including Georgia O'Keeffe. Stieglitz's contributions to the art world continue to influence modern art today, making him an important figure in the history of photography and art in the United States.